Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 9a and let me show you how to add fingerprint to this device. So, at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select security and privacy. Now go a bit lower and mark device unlock. Here select face and fingerprint unlock and provide your pattern if you already have one. If you don't, you will have to create either pin code or pattern. It will be kind of backup to your fingerprint. So now just pick fingerprint unlock and it's time to enroll. Tap on more, agree with all the terms and conditions, and as you can see the fingerprint sensor is located on your home screen. Just mark on start, grab your phone as you usually do it and keep enrolling your fingerprint till it's fully added. So, as only it's added, mark done, and here you can rename it if you wish, but let me show you just how it works. So, once your device is locked, you can either use your pattern on pin code or just touch, not this one, or just touch the screen and unlock your device with this fingerprint. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.